Hi there, it's Jayne and Mike from Earth Care Farm. We want to talk about, it's been such a cold, rainy spring that things are growing slowly. We didn't want you to get discouraged. So we wanted to show you the peas that we planted a couple weeks ago with you are really just super tiny still right now. They're really only like 1.5 inches tall. So that's normal, that's all right. I was going to show you how we maximize space because these guys won't be ready to eat and pick until June, so we have a little bit of time. So I was going to utilize the space, sorry Poppy, alongside, I just used the back of my rake, that we could plant something quick like radishes or spinach alongside that will be ready and harvested before these peas are ready, and we'll shade them out too much. So I'm just going to show you a quick little thing. Normally I would take this all the way down to the end of my row. I'm just going to take it to here, and then we'll do it on this side too. Peas are an awesome crop because they're actually fixing nitrogen from the atmosphere and bringing it into your soil, which can help feed the crops that are alongside it. I just really love peas. All the legume family does that. And I also want to talk about, it's tempting, it's a beautiful Saturday right now. It's April 24th, 25th. I'm losing track of time like everybody else. And it's tempting to want to put the warm-loving crops in. Everyone wants to get their tomatoes in. You really need to wait. Here we wait until the end of May, May 23rd, 24th, because we've had frosts right up until that date, surprising you and ruining your hard work there. So what you can plant now is peas, radishes, spinach, all the cool greens, so bok choy, arugula, cutting greens like a greens mix, a salad mix, lettuces, and lots of root crops, carrots, beets, turnips. I love those salad turnips, and radishes, but you gotta hold off on all the warm-loving things, peppers, eggplants, tomatoes, squash, cucumbers, zucchini. They're not ready yet, not until the end of May here in Rhode Island. So here's my little radish packet. And again, you guys kind of know me by now. I'm pretty laid back about my spacing. I'm just giving a little shake. I don't have a lot of seed in here. I've planted a lot of radishes, so I'm just going to use up what I have here. These are the beautiful Easter egg radishes. You don't know what color it's going to be until you pull it out. Could be red, pink, white. I love that. All right. And then on the other side, I'm going to mix it up with my spinach. This is a spinach I really like, Olympia spinach. Nice smooth leaf. And I don't know if you can see me too well, maybe I'll come from this side. Normally I plant from that side. And I'm just going to shake very similar to what I did with the radishes. And I would do that, continue that all the way down once I made my furrow. Then covered up a little bit. We are going to get about 5 days of rain this week. So I don't need to water right now because I know I've got that rain coming. But I'm just covering these. Again, the general rule of thumb is to cover the seed twice as deep with soil as the seed is big. So that's not too much with these little radish and spinach seeds. So I'll finish this, and then Poppy, you can take it away.
Well, I just wanted to say, Jayne mentioned that we're all losing track of the date, the time. With that stay at home, one day kind of melts into the other. And really, when you're gardening, that happens frequently. You just lose a sense of time. It's you kind of enter a timeless dimension in your mind, and it's just life goes on and on and on, and you're always just enjoying the eternal now. So this stay at home does have a little bit of silver lining and a blessing in disguise. Enjoy your gardening.
We appreciate you. Thanks.